What is up, guys? You're here in Toronto with me in my downtown apartment, all 500 square feet of it. And some people on Instagram asked me to do an apartment tour, so I decided I would give you guys the grand tour and show you where I live. It's my house and I live here. So when you first walk in, we have this cute little welcome mat. I got this from the linen chest, I think it's called. Not the linen closet, the linen chest, something like that. Anyways, it was like 30 bucks. Super cute. Right to your left is the bathroom. I don't really think I need to go too in depth there. I think you kind of know what goes down in here. So over here is this antique mirror that it was actually my great grandmother's. It was a brassy gold kind of color, but me and my mom just took some primer and paint and just painted it a nice white, and it's perfect for an entryway to just, you know, check yourself out before you leave for the day and just make sure you're all ready to go. And then to the right is the kitchen where I spend a lot of my time. So as you can see, it's a good layout. We got our Keurig and we got the honking horns of Toronto. We have a little spice rack, cute subway tiles in the back. We have my massive watermelons, my Oreos that somebody has been eating, wine of course, and this very functional island. It's the kitchen where this is where the real magic happens, you guys. Oh my god, and my favorite thing of all, this candle, you guys, happy birthday candle from Bath & Body Works. Smells like absolute heaven. It is the best candle. I don't care if it's not my birthday. I'm lighting a happy birthday candle pretty much every day of the week. So just from the living room view and the door where we just were standing, this is what we got going on over here. Okay, so moving on to the living room, all in one room. We have this super cute little poof that was from Homesense. It was actually a housewarming gift from one of our very good friends when we first moved in. I love this Toronto sign. I actually have the print on my computer. I want to get it printed out way bigger than this and take this one down. You know, we got some family pictures so people know we actually have some family, not just us. We have our cute little IKEA consoles and coffee table. We have our M and our R for both of our last name coasters. And I'm obsessed with throw pillows. Like, I just throw pillows galore. This one is my current favorite. And actually these three, the two in the front, and then this little guy over here, are from this cool place I found online called Society 6. They have really cool prints and throw pillows, so if you're interested, and decent price. Then we've got the TV and our fake fig leaf plant, a staple in every millennial's apartment, of course. Ooh, another thing I want to say about this little side table right here, got this at Value Village for legitimately, guys, $5. It was oak wood, so ugly. Painted it turquoise and had it in my bedroom like while I was a teenager for a couple of years, and then decided to paint it white and paint the little handles copper. And yeah, that's my $5 find. Super cute. Oh, and it's like super handy for storing stuff. All my mess. Then if you go over to the bedroom, we got my little clothing rack from IKEA. It was like 20 bucks. then we have these really cute little side tables. These are made out of copper pipes. Me and my mom bought those before we moved away. Like, me and my mom were so handy. Like, so we basically cut and built these ourselves, glued them together, and then just glued a tile on top. Like, so easy. These big XO signs also I printed at Staples and got the frames from Ikea, so that maybe cost about 40 bucks for those. Another side table by yours truly. Our first picture together by my bedside, duh. 2 huge mirrors. I'm not gonna show you my closet because it's a disaster. Like, I'll just stay out of there. Another mirror, duh. What else is new? So we got our balcony here. It's so loud outside, but we'll give it a shot. Rainy days in Toronto. Just a little bistro set here. Everything's knocked over from the rain, but we just like to sit out here, chill, talk, have a drink. Most importantly, LCBO is across the street. That is my apartment. So that's a wrap, guys, on our apartment. It's pretty small, as you can see, but we were very particular in picking things that really suited us and really just, you know, gave us inspiration and makes us feel really cozy and at home. Moving away from home was really hard, especially to a big city, from such a small town like Sault Ste. Marie, where we're both from. And just to have this little place to call our own and just feel really content and comfortable here, it's been awesome and we love it. So if you have any questions about anything in my apartment, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave comments below if you want to know where I got anything else, or if you want to see a different video, let me know. And we'll see you next time.